Pre-coordinate indexing system was first proposed by Mortimer Top. In pre-coordinate indexing, terms are combined before search. Pre-coordinate indexing is mainly used in the traditional printed index. Which of the following is an example of pre-coordinate system that is precise? The British Library used which pre-coordinate indexing system that is precise? Pre-coordinate indexing suffers from the rigidity and term order dependency. Pre-coordinate indexing is suitable for the static collection. Chain indexing was developed by the S.R. Ranganathan. Chain indexing is based on the class number and its facets. In pre-coordinate indexing, the coordination is manually prepared. Which indexing system was developed in India based on the pre-coordinate principles, that is POPSI. Chain indexing uses which component as its base, that is class number. The term pre-coordinate refers to the predetermined order of terms at the time of indexing. A limitation of pre-coordinate indexing is lack of flexibility in term arrangement. Which of the following is not a pre-coordinate indexing system, that is uniterm indexing? Which organization first adopted precise for its bibliographic service, that is British Library? In chain indexing, the chain refers to the sequence of classes and subclasses. Who developed POPSI? That is D.B. Krishna Rao. In precise, what is the role of the lead term? Determines arrangement in index. Which indexing language is most structured in pre-coordinate system? That is precise. Which type of subject headings which type of subject indexing allows for multi-dimensional subject access? That is precise. Pre-coordinate indexing results in the more complex index structure. In pre-coordinate indexing, index terms are entered in the prescribed sequence. In precise, what do role operators define? That is function of terms in the subject string. A major advantage of pre-coordinate indexing is high speed precision in the controlled environment. Which of the following tool is typically used in pre-coordinate indexing, that is chain indexing schedule? Which of these were developed in the UK for subject indexing, that is precise? In pre-coordinate indexing, the user must know exact term order used in the indexing stage. Pre-coordinate indexing system are considered more effective for the printed catalogs and bibliographies. Precise stands for the preserved context indexing system. Post coordinating indexing was introduced by Mortimer Top. In post coordinate indexing, indexing terms are combined at the time of the retrieval. Which is the most well known example of a post coordinate indexing system, that is uniterm indexing? Post coordinate indexing system are also referred to as coordinate indexing system. The major feature of post coordinate indexing is coordination of terms during search. Uniterm indexing makes use of the single word terms. In post coordinate indexing, terms are usually stored as the independent index entries. A major advantage of post coordinate indexing is user defined term coordination. Which search method is commonly used in the post coordinating system, that is Boolean search? Post coordinate indexing is best suited for the online database and digital library. Which indexing system supports natural language searching, that is Uniterm? Which is a key disadvantage of post coordinate indexing, that is lack of term order and contextual meaning? The main component of a uniterm indexing is the term card or term life. Post coordinate indexing supports the use of which logic operators, that is and or not? A collection of individual index terms used in a post coordinate system is also known as the term pool. Which of the following systems uses alphabetical uniterms for indexing, that is uniterm system? Post coordinate indexing leads to improved recall and flexibility. The effectiveness of a post coordinate system depends on the user's ability to select search terms. Which field of study was the post coordinate system first applied to medicine? The term coordinate indexing means matching index terms at the search time. The retrieval effectiveness of post coordinate indexing is improved by the user defined term coordination. Post coordinate indexing gives more control to the user or researcher. Uniterm indexing is most useful for the scientific and technical literature. A problem in post coordinate indexing arises when the user cannot formulate search terms. Boolean operate in post coordinate systems allows complex and customized search strategies. One of the earliest applications of post coordinate indexing was in US Armed Force Medical Library. In post coordinate indexing, if a document is indexed by the term education, policy, and India, a user can retrieve the document by using a logical combination like education and policy and India. Post coordinate indexing system usually avoid fixed synthetic rules. Which statement is true about post coordinate indexing? That is, it allows flexibility at the search stage. The first post coordinate indexing system, Unitum, was developed for the military documentation. Derived indexing is also known as the pretext indexing. Title based indexing derives index terms from the title and substitute of the documents. A major drawback of title based indexing is no fixed vocabulary control. Which indexing system use title words directly for the indexing purpose? That is quick. Quick stands for the keyword in the context. In quick indexing, keywords are usually selected from the title. Quote stands for the keyword, order, context. Derived indexing does not involve syntactic control. Which of the following is a limitation of derived indexing, that is fails to control synonyms or the homonyms? In derived indexing system, the terms are selected based on the surface level linguistic feature. Which of these is an example of a derived indexing format, that is quick? The primary goal of derived indexing is to enable quick and inexpensive indexing. Derived indexing techniques are best suited for the large text corpora and web content. Derived indexing is often criticized because it produces inconsistent indexing terms. Which of the following is most associated with the computer generated indexing, that is quick? Vocabulary control in indexing is used to ensure consistency in subject representation. Which of the following is a tool for vocabulary control, that is thesaurus? A control vocabulary includes standardized and authorized subject terms. Which of the following is a control vocabulary used in the library, that is Library of Congress subject heading? Which vocabulary control tool provides hierarchical relationship among the terms, that is thesaurus? In a thesaurus, BT stand for the broader term. In a thesaurus, NT stand for the narrower term. In a thesaurus, RT refers to the related term. U and UF in a thesaurus indicates preferred and non-preferred terms. A vocabulary control system reduces ambiguity by handling synonyms and homonyms. Which of the following is a purpose of a vocabulary control, that is enhances recall and precision in a retrieval? Vocabulary control tools help in uniform subject access. An advantage of using controlled vocabulary is minimization of term redundancy. What does equivalence relationship in a controlled vocabulary refers to? That is synonyms or quasi synonyms. A list of preferred and non-preferred terms is usually called a authority list. Vocabulary control is essential for the subject indexing and retrieval. Which term represent a conceptual broader than computer programming? That is information technology. The use of standardized term in place of several synonyms is an example of the vocabulary control. Which of the following is not a function of a thesaurus, that is listing ISBNs? LCSS stand for the Library of Congress subject heading. Control vocabularies improve retrieval by ensuring search term consistency. Vocabulary control is especially useful in search engines and the database. Which one of the following is typically used in multilingual vocabulary control? That is parallel thesaurus. A preferred term in a control vocabulary is also called a descriptor. Vocabulary control enhance precision and recall in information retrieval. Thank you.